Today we are going to discuss about also Brave. In this video we are going to discuss how we can restore or recover our Brave with the seed phrases. Yes, if you have your seed phrases then you can easily recover. If you have not, then you not recover or restore your wallet. So must save your seed phrases when you are going to create account. So if you get complete information about this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel is Crypto Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. If I'm going to click on video portion, then we can check how many videos I have uploaded. Almost I have uploaded 5 to 6 videos. First video, how to set up Brave wallet, how to find the wallet address, how to backup, how to export private key, how to deposit, and how to transfer fund from your Brave wallet to other wallet. So you must watch this video how to backup Brave wallet seed phrases, because if you have seed phrases then you can easily recover restore your wallets. So let's start to our video, and in this video we are going to discuss how to recover or restore our wallet. So going to open first of all my Brave wallet. Now you can see here my Brave wallet is open in front of me, and there is option password. I'm not going to enter my password because in this video we are going to discuss restore our wallet. So I can use restore option. You can see here restore option. Simple click on it, and after that you can see a restore primary crypto accounts. Enter your recovery phases to restore Brave wallet crypto accounts. And if I'm going to enter my seed phrases on this wallet option or seed phrases option, so please keep in your mind, don't use these seed phrases for your personal use, because this video is only for education purpose. So many people watch this video, so maybe your fund will be lost. Okay, so keep in your mind. So I'm going to open my notepad file, and after that I'm just simple copy my seed phrases. You can see here my seed phrases available here. If you save your seed phrases wrong, let's suppose you have saved one your seed phrases spell wrong, I'm going to remove E and just simple going to copy, control C, and after that I'm just going to paste here. So show the seed phrases available here, and let's suppose I'm going to enter my password here. I just give to information. If your seed phrase is wrong, so what will be error shown here? Going to enter my password here, which is I want to apply. I think my password is wrong. My password is not matched, so going to remove both password from here and enter again here. Now again. Now my password is correct. I have removed E from the last word of my seed phrases only for verification my wallet will be recovered or not. Going to click on restore. So you can see here they shown the recovery phase is invalid. Means if you save by mistake any word wrongly in your seed phrases, so you can't recover your wallet. So keep in your mind, when you are going to save your seed phrases, you must cross check one by one phrases, all phrases is correct or not, and also check the one by one spell of all phrases. Okay, so keep in your mind. So I'm going to again type here E, because I need to recover my wallet or restore my wallet. You can see here I have paste my all phrases correctly here, and also I have enter my password. You can see here you will use this password each time to access your account wallet. So also must enter your strong password here if you want to save your account from scammer or hacker. Okay, now going to click on restore button, and then let's see what will be happen. Now as you can see here My wallet is restored successfully, and you can also see here I have balance on my BNB wallet address 0.006474. So you can see here I have successfully recovered or restored my wallet with seed phrases. So you must save your seed phrase and private key firstly if you need to recover your account or restore your account. I'm going to check the activity. This is my wallet or not. Going to click on it, and then there's not shown any option, means not shown any activity this time, because I upload last video almost 20 days ago for the busy schedule. So I will upload more videos about Beard Wallet in my next incoming days. Sorry for this because my video is very long time upload here. So also you can see here there's many options available here. Live Beijing. In coming video I will give you information how to swap your one currency to other currency, and also how you can bridge. Also I have discussed about deposit option. Simple click on it, and there is option available here: Ethereum, Ether, Matic, and many cryptocurrency addresses available here in your wallet. You just simple click on it and click on continue, and after that you can just simple scan this QR code. You will get this wallet address at your mobile. Just simple send that person who want to send the money. And also you can use same scenario with the send button or withdrawal option. You can use this option. Okay, simple click on it, enter the assets and choose the recipient. You just simple review this send, and after that your fund will be transferred from your this account to other account. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you restore, recover, or import your wallet address with the seed phrases. This is so simple and easy. And if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. I will read your comments, and I hope I will resolve your problem. So before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.